Did you know that in 1814, London was flooded by beer? Yeah, you heard that right. A massive vat containing over 1 million liters of beer burst, causing a tsunami of beer to flood the streets. Houses were destroyed, and people literally drowned in beer. But wait, it gets crazier. Instead of panicking, people started drinking the beer. They were scooping it up with buckets, hats, and even their hands. I mean, free beer, right? Here's the kicker. The brewery was found not guilty because they ruled it was an act of God. So, no one got sued, and Londoners got the wildest happy hour in history. Cheers to that. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more mind-blowing history shorts. See you next time. Credits Nandi.